Welcome to Artery Lock, where security and convenience come together. Our innovative technology offers a solution to traditional lock systems, giving you complete control over the safety of your property. With Artery Lock, you can say goodbye to the hassle of lost keys or forgotten combinations. From security integration, code-compliant door hardware, video surveillance, and electronic access, there's nothing we can't do. Our system allows for easy and secure access from anywhere at any time with just the touch of a button. Trust Artery Lock to keep your home or business safe and secure, and always accessible to those who matter most. Whether you're at work or on the go, Artery Lock puts you in charge. Not to mention we service 3 states: Eastern Massachusetts, Southern New Hampshire, and Northern Rhode Island. Don't wait. Upgrade your security today with Artery Lock. Call us today at 781-395-5243 or visit us online at arterylock.com.